Are you looking to take your photography skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into the concept of additional photography, an essential tool for enhancing your shoots and storytelling. Whether you're capturing stunning real estate, cinematic portraits, or eye-catching product shots, additional photography is the secret weapon to deliver polished, professional results. First, let's define additional photography. It's all about capturing extra shots or reshoots after the main photography session. These images often address missed details, enhance the visual narrative, or simply provide alternative perspectives. Think of it as a second chance to perfect your work. Now, you might wonder, why is this important? Imagine photographing a property at dusk, only to realize you missed the golden glow of the sunset. Or you're editing product shots and spot a wrinkle in the background fabric. Additional photography helps correct these issues, making sure your final images meet the highest standards. It also allows for creativity and experimentation with angles, lighting, and props. Ready to get started? Here are 3 tips to make the most of your additional photography sessions. Plan ahead. Analyze your first batch of photos and create a checklist of what needs improvement or additional coverage. Match the lighting. Consistency is key. Try to replicate the lighting conditions of the original shoot as closely as possible. Experiment with angles. Don't be afraid to try new perspectives. Sometimes the best shots come from exploring the unexpected. Incorporating additional photography into your workflow doesn't just improve your images, it also elevates your brand. Clients will notice the attention to detail, and your work will stand out as polished and professional. It's an investment in your creative reputation. Additional photography is more than just reshooting, it's about refining your craft and delivering excellence. So, whether you're shooting real estate, products, or portraits, remember to embrace the art of the extra shot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite additional photography tip.